If you refer to your family home checklist, I'm sure you won't be disappointed by 11 Bird Avenue here in Northcote. We've got a fantastic family home on a great block of land, 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom and multiple off-street car parks, ready to be moved in and enjoyed. Let's take a look inside. Thanks for taking the tour and I really hope you've enjoyed it. Your own private garden oasis, just moments away to St George's Road Tram and surrounding schools and parklands. My name's Spiro, thanks for taking the tour and looking forward to meeting you at the next Open for Inspection.